Hello, it's me, Mario, and this is Nintendo 3DS. Woohoo! As you look closer, you'll see some things that are familiar and some features that are new to Nintendo and to all kinds of portable game systems. You can get a Nintendo 3DS system in one of three colors: Flame Red, Aqua Blue, or Cosmo Black. Beautiful! The first thing that jumps out at you are the two screens, similar to Nintendo DS family, with the touchscreen on the bottom and the 3D display on top. The touchscreen works the same way as it does for those systems, but Nintendo 3DS comes with an extending stylus. Hello, little stylus. That top screen is nice and big and clear, and even in 2D mode, the games look amazing. You can enjoy my adventures in the Mushroom Kingdom and all other types of games in more detail than ever, wherever you go. But in a 3D, that's a whole new story. When you first see a game in 3D, mamma mia, it's an unforgettable sight. Hee-hee! Nintendo 3DS also plays hundreds of Nintendo DS games. That way, you can enjoy some of my previous adventures, like New Super Mario Bros. Woohoo! Along with the new ones. Also, don't forget, you can download lots of new and classic games from the Nintendo eShop. Incredible! A slot for an SD card lets you save pictures, music, and downloadable games. Every system comes with its own 2 gig card, too. Amazing! Basic controls are pretty simple. A, B, X, and Y on the right, along with the L and R buttons. On the other side is the Classic Plus control pad. With these basics, it's a super duper easy for any kind of player to pick up a Nintendo 3DS and start playing tons of great games. Oh, but up here, you'll see a really important new feature, a circle pad just above the plus control pad. It really lets you have fun with these new 3D worlds. These new kinds of games might let you use it to control your heroes, move the camera around, and lots more. And on the inside, there's some exciting stuff happening. A built-in motion sensor and gyro sensor react when you move and tilt the system. So, if you're twisting your Nintendo 3DS side to side or up and down, those compatible games respond immediately. With the charging cradle, you can put the Nintendo 3DS in a sleep mode when you're done playing for as long as you want, without losing your place. Next, here are 3 things that mean a lot. Right in the center, on the bottom, is a new Home button. If you're playing a Nintendo 3DS game, press the Home button in the middle of the game to pause and head right over to the Home menu. Then, you can switch to other applications while your game waits. You can just as easily switch back without losing a thing. Oh, on the top right, there's a special light that shows when your system's connected wirelessly. It lights up in 4 different ways to let you know what kind of info has come in. Street Pass is the name for automatic local connection between Nintendo 3DS systems. And the best part? When enabled, it even happens when they're in sleep mode. I'm asleep. Me too. Unlike the tag mode used with past Nintendo DS titles, certain game information is now exchanged system to system no matter what game you're playing at the moment. Okie dokie, let's finish up with what really makes Nintendo 3DS a powered-up portable. 3D is a wonderful experience, but it doesn't work the same for everyone. We've solved this problem with the 3D depth slider, which you'll find just right of the screen. If you want, you can even turn off the 3D completely and see your games in beautiful 2D. But the depth slider lets you adjust 3D to any amount you like. Customize it however you like. And of course, don't ever worry about having to put on a pair of silly 3D glasses. This 3D is natural and fully flexible. Okie dokie, now let's check out the 3 cameras. The first faces you just above the screen. That way, you can take photos of yourself and even put your photo right into certain games. Amazing! On the outside are 2 outward-facing cameras that let you take 3D photos of anything in your world. these cameras open up all kinds of amazing possibilities for games too. I can't wait to see what kind of adventures players will be going on soon. 3D games and photos are an incredible feature for everyone, whether you're a gamer or looking to become one. Nintendo 3DS, it's a game changer. Woohoo! See you in my games. Yahoo!